Hi, today we're going to learn how to make chrysanthemums.
For this you will need a pair of scissors, a thin flexible wire, a thick wire, floral tape, glue, yellow crepe paper, any floral color crepe paper and green crepe paper. You need to cut templates for this and all should be measured in centimeters. The first is a stamen. You need to cut one piece for it. The second is another stamen and you need to cut one piece. Then the first petal. You need to cut two pieces for that. Then the second petal, you need to cut two pieces for that. Then the third petal, you need to cut one piece, and a leaf, you need to cut two pieces for that. These are the cutouts that I've made and they should be cut out like this.
This is the stamen,
And these are the petals.
which needs to be cut like this.
And the leaf.
Now you take the wider stamen piece and fold it in half on the wrong side. Then crimp the folded edge, that is, pull it in opposite directions with your fingers. So you get a wavy effect on the folded edge. This is how it will look. Now you take the thick wire and apply a bit of glue on the tip and on the stamen that we've just folded. Now wind this around the thick wire, leaving just a little bit from the top. And this is what we'll get. Now you take the other stamen, which you have to cut very finely from the top on one side, halfway in length, and you put glue on it on the uncut side and wind this around the stamen that we've just put, putting it slightly higher than the tip of the other stamen, and just wind it around it. After we've stuck the second stamen, we tie the base with a thin wire tightly and twist the ends. Now take the first petal and taking a pair of scissors, just pull the petals in one direction from the wrong side so that the petals curve inside a bit. Don't pull too hard, otherwise the paper will tear. Basically, just give it a slightly curved effect. This is how they'll look. Now put some glue on the wrong side and stick it on the other side. So this is how it will look. Do this for the other first petal also. Take the petal that we've just rolled and put a bit of glue on the base of it. Put it all around the base. Now push the stamen through it just a bit so that the petals come just slightly above the stamen, like this. Now just stick the base together, spreading out the petals as you go, like this. This need not be very neat, it's okay. And similarly, we take the second petal and push it through the wire like this, so it goes up, and keeping the same height. Just tie it on top of the first petal base and tie a thin wire on the base tightly, like that. This is how it will look. Now you take the second petal and again pull the petals with the scissors. So that they curve just a bit, just like we did earlier. But this time, instead of folding the right side, keeping the right side out, we keep the right side inside. And you put the glue again. And fold it like this. The wrong side should be out and the right side should be inside. Now we take, just like I have done similar thing for the other petal also. Now you push this petal again on top of the flower like this. Keep the base the same level. And now tie the base with a wire. This is how it will look. Now you can leave it here and make it a semi flower like I have done for the others, or you can make a full flower, which we will now proceed. Now we take the second middle petal, which I have rolled and stuck as I did earlier, and we put glue on the base as we did earlier. And put it through the wire and stick it on top of the flower that we've made. The base, just remember, the base should always be the same length. Stick the flower. This is how it will look. Now you take the longest petal like this, and again we pull the petals, the right side on top. After we've curled the petals, we put some glue on the base. And now stick it and wind it on top of the flower that we made. Just remember to keep the base the same level. This is how it looks. Now tie the base with the wire tightly. This is how it will look after we tied the base with wire. Now put some glue on the wire all around. Take your fold tape and bind it around the base of the wire till about and on top of the thick wire till about 14 centimeters. Now you take the main flower that we've made and one bud and put them all together. Like this, and tie to the wire. Now we put some glue on it and bind it with the floral tape. So we take the floral tape and bind it around the wire. Leaving a gap of about 2 centimeters, take the leaf and put it on the wire and wind the tape around it. And then again, leaving a gap of about 2 centimeters, put the other leaf. Now you just open out the leaves like this, give a little curve to the flowers, and here you are, your chrysanthemum is all ready.